These advanced contouring techniques can also be applied to two-axis closed contours as well. If I move to NC, two-axis contour, and chain this profile, click on Done. Tool information comes up once again, and I'm going to move to Cut Control. Still climb milling up at the top. Still using the 1/2 inch depth, 1/4 inch peck depth or rough spacing. I'm going to change the lead in and lead out move to arc on all. Click OK, accept the defaults. Same thing on the lead out move, arc on all, OK for all the defaults, and click OK again. Now it's asking me in the bottom left hand corner to select the side to contour. I'm going to click inside and accept. You can see now as I rotate the part that we plunge down, arc into the wall, go around the part, arc out, move back across, plunge down again, and then arc back into the wall for the final pass. Going to turn it back into a top view now. We're going to try the same thing on the outside. If I want to do that, go to the Operations Manager, right mouse click on the tool path, regenerate tool path and reselect geometry. Click OK because all the defaults are the same. Chain the profile, click on Done, and then once again at the bottom it asks us to select the side to contour. I'm going to click to the outside now, and now you can see our arc move and our profile cut are all on the outside of the profile. You see our rapid moves in red. I'm going to go back to the top view again. I'm going to show you one more thing that you can do with contour. I'm going to go to the Operations Manager this time, regenerate with original geometry, and we're going to look under Cut Control at a variable called Amount to Remove on the sides. The amount to remove on the sides is the distance away from the contour that you want the cutter to start. If I tell it that I want to start 1 inch away from the wall with a rough spacing of 0.25, that means that the cutter will offset itself 1 inch away from the contour and approach the contour at 1/4 inch increments. Since I have arc on all for the lead in move and the lead out move, I'm going to have an arc approach on every pass. When I click OK, you can see that here. An arc move in, around the profile, an arc move out, move into the next profile, and so on. I don't really need that. If I was clearing the material around a boss, I would probably only want an arc move on the final pass, and we can get that very easily. I can go back up to the Operations Manager, right mouse click on the tool path, regenerate tool path with original geometry, move to the Cut Control tab, and our lead in move I'm going to change from arc on all to arc on final, leaving the defaults. Click OK, and I'll do the same for the lead out move. Change it from arc on all to arc on final, click OK, click OK at the bottom, and as you can see we have a plunge move here. We go around the contour, but we move in on a straight line for each successive pass until the very last pass when we arc into and out of the wall.